Hey guys, today I'm showing you a tutorial and trying some makeup. This is the lip gloss, wax, lipstick, and blush powder, eyeshadow stick, and this for your cheek one. And this one is for your blush to your cheek again. All this is for your cheek, and this is for eyeshadow wax, and this is for lip gloss again, lip gloss wax. This is for eyeshadow wax, eyeshadow wax. All of these is eyeshadow wax, except this one. And part 2 will be the makeup one. Thanks for watching. Bye!